so this person's video is very, very straightforward. It's to press upon you the most important part of health and fitness in my mind. When you talk about getting in shape, it's the part that no one ever seems to get truly right. It's the part that people have to learn lesson after lesson after lesson before they actually accept the fundamental importance of food within getting in shape. Okay, my estimations of it, I used to say it was 60%, and as I got a bit more experience I said 70%. Now, I mean, I think it's up to 80% of getting in shape is to do with the food that you eat. It is that important. Okay, what that means, if you don't correct your diet, if you don't get the food right, it doesn't matter how many times you train or how hard you train, you're not going to get results. Okay, just think about the power of that sentence. You're here busting your ass, smashing it, going through injuries, fixing yourself, stretching, massages, circuit factories, training sessions in other places. Everything you put your body through is worth this much if you can't get food right. Okay, you cannot out-train a bad diet. It doesn't matter who you are. If you're Angolan, if you're show up to that sign up there, please, Hannah. Okay, if you are from if you're from deepest, darkest depths of Africa. Oh, Hannah, back to me now, Marla. Back to me, Marla. Okay, if you're from Angola, you can eat pizza the rest of your life. Every other form of genetic DNA code, you have to get your diet right. Okay, you cannot out-train a bad diet. It's as simple as that. Okay, I say good bodies are built in the kitchen. Okay, they're polished in the gym. The foundations are laid in the kitchen. Okay, with what you put in your body. Okay. Last point is I'm going to make is someone who trains with us at the Circuit Factory. Today she told me she was 12 kilos down. She's been training with us for 4.5, maybe 5 months now. Her first month was completely a waste of time. Why? Because she didn't get the food right. She came in and busted her ass. I think she did 24 training sessions in a month. If anyone's done a Circuit Factory, you'll understand how big that statement is. 24 training sessions in 1 month. We got on the scales, not 1 gram of weight lost. Next week, we fixed her diet, 3 kilos. Okay? So try and think about that. Your bodies were not going to change if you don't get the food right.
Follow me, follow